Namaste children. I hope all are downloaded the Alagi software. Have you all tried the practical exercises children? Have you all familiar to type Tamil using English words? How many Tirukural have you all typed children? 2, 3 or more than that? Very good children. Today I am going to explain how to type Hindi, Sanskrit using Alagi software. As usual, first you have to click start button which is present in the taskbar. Then you have to click programs and then you have to click Alagi folder. From that you have to choose the Alagi application and you have to click that. Like this you have to open the Alagi application. Immediately you will get a dialog box. In that you have to choose key mappings tab. Under that you have to choose Hindi. Okay children? To type Hindi language you have to choose the Hindi option which is present in key mappings. Under key mappings you have offline help. In that you have to choose Hindi. If you click that you will get the extended help list. In that they gave the letters, Hindi letters as well as English letters what you have to type for getting that Hindi font. Everything guidelines they gave. Using this you can type it in Hindi. To change the Hindi keyboard you have to go to word application and then you have to press control. You have to hold the control key and you have to press number 1 for changing the Hindi keyboard setting. After doing that you can start typing. In your book practical exercise they gave one dohe. In that what they gave? Ram Nam Manideeb Taru Jih Tehri Tuart. That line alone I am going to explain how to type in Hindi. That line alone I am going to type and show it to you. See this children. Using English letters you are typing this dohe. Ram Nam Manideeb Taru. How to type Taru? You have to use English letters for typing it in Hindi. So if you have any doubt go to the guidelines, that is extended help. Don't minimize that screen. Don't close that screen. Minimize it and whenever you want you can open and see the letters. So Taru Jih. Jih what you have to type? Jih, how you will type Jih? J-I-H. Okay. If you are not getting immediately where you have to go? You have to go to extended help and verify the letters. Okay. Then type it. Tehri Tu Var. That properly. So I am verifying the extended help and then I am trying that. For typing crew, that and all everything they gave in the extended help. So if you get any doubt refer it and then type accordingly. Tu. Tehri tuar you have to type, no? Tuvar, va. Which va you have to type? I am not getting tu letter. For typing tuvar, you have to use capital D and HOO. If you type like that, you will get tu. For typing var, as usual VAR you have to use. Next I am going to teach how to type Sanskrit font. To get Sanskrit font, you have to switch over the keys. You have to choose Sanskrit. In key mappings, you have to choose Sanskrit, and hotkeys also you have to choose Sanskrit font. Okay. Go to key mappings and change it as Sanskrit. Already you choose Hindi, change it as Sanskrit. Now it is showing the Sanskrit font. Okay. To change the keyboard setup, you have to hold Control key and you have to press number 2. Okay. Now I am typing Sanskrit here. Sanskrit font I am typing. Heading. Okay. In your book for practicing Sanskrit also they gave one sloga. In that first line alone I am going to try. First word alone. That is Mahajanasya. That I am going to type it now. Before that I am giving color to Sanskrit word and Hindi word. Okay. Hindi, both the titles I am giving colors, and then I want to underline it. That also I did. First one what you typed? Tamil. So I am typing the heading as Tamil. Okay. Now I am going to select and I am going to make it center. Then I am underlining the heading. I change the color also. Okay. The line is not thick, so I am going to make it thick line. Okay. I want to increase the font size also. It is so small, so let me increase the font size. Now I am going to type the first word alone from practical exercise. What I am going to type? Mahajanasya. Maha. What you have to type? Maha. M-A-H-A. Maha. To get Maha, in English you have to type M-A-H-A. Maha. Janasya. J-A-N-A. To get Janasya, you have to type J-A-N-A-S-Y. Getting? Yeah, you have to type Y. To remove that, you have to press A. So, you got Mahajanasya now in Sanskrit. Like this you have to try Hindi and Sanskrit font, children. So far today I taught how to type Hindi and Sanskrit font in Azhagi software. To change the keyboard setting to type in Hindi, you have to use control and number 1, key number 1, that is hold control key and press number 1 to get Hindi font. If you want to get Sanskrit font, you have to hold control key and you have to press number 2 for getting the Sanskrit font. So children, see your book, practical exercise. In page number 10 it is given. Try it, children. Hindi, you take any doha and type that and check it. Okay, children? Okay, we'll meet in next class, children. Thank you. Thank you, children.